I will tell you the candidate to vote for in 2023 election, Wike tells his supporters. Hey guys, this is still DJM2 Daily News Update. The governor of Rivers State, Nyesom Wike, has told his supporters that their vote should be reserved for the candidates that have developmental agenda for the state. Governor Nyesom Wike made this clear in a video at the inauguration of the remodeling waterline house in Port Harcourt. He said that he would at the appropriate time tell them who to vote for during the general elections. According to his word, he said, "I will not allow this state to go astray, to fall into the hands of armed robbers," he vowed, adding that he has challenged the country in so many things that were against the interests of the state. Wike has also said that some governorship candidates in other political parties have nothing to offer the state. His words are, "I thank all Rivers State people for the support you have given us and for the prayers you are offering on our behalf. I will continue to let you know that we will not let you down. We will continue to do the best for Rivers State, and that is why we should tell you to listen to us. We will tell you those who to vote for, because I will tell you who is who. There are those who just want to be governor, but they have no agenda. And in any case, why will you change a winning team that has given you all this?" he said. Let's watch the video. We'll be right back.
That's why I say people are scattering. Every day they are quarreling, their BPs are going here. They are flying here. This person came here, that person came here. Everybody's worried. We are not worried. Are we worried? But they are worried because of your trouble. We are in peace. You came and wake up from sleep. When you wake a tiger, a lion from sleep, don't you know what will happen? And that's why we also tell you to listen to us. We will tell you those you vote for. Do you understand me? Because I will tell you who is who. But most of you don't know. There are those who want to come here to just want to be governor, but they have no agenda. And in any case, why will you change a winning team that has given you all this? Is there any need to change a winning team? No need. You don't know the one you go and bring now. You begin to run helter-skelter. So Rivers State has done a lot of things for us. We owe Rivers State a lot. Personally, I owe this state a lot for what they have done, giving me the opportunity. And I have not allowed this state to go astray, to run into the hands of armed robbers. I will not allow it. There are those who say they are from this state, but actually when you look at it, they are not from this state. But they claim they are from this state. Maybe they were born there. Maybe they trace that their mother or their father had lived there for years. But how you identify who is from Rivers State is one who loves this state. If anybody does not love the state, I said from Rivers State, is not a Rivers person. Nobody that from this state that will hate his state. When I see people run helter-skelter to sell their state for a pot of porridge, I pity them. But everybody will give account of himself or herself. One day, you will give account of yourself. I will give account. And account I'm going to give Rivers State. He gave me this opportunity. See what I've done. See what I've done. I've defended Rivers State. I've challenged this country in so many things that have done so many things against the interests of this state. I will never sell this state for one kobo. I will never. No amount of money, no amount of position you will give me will make me to sell this state. I will not do that. It's not in my blood, and it will never be in my blood.
Since na the man, we don't talk. If you don't get your report card, we don't go follow you.
So people should not be too greedy in life. When God has blessed you with small things, be contented with it. There are those who do not have the opportunities you have had. But I tell politicians, I feel proud of myself. As French chairman of council, nobody who had worked with me to say, you work with me, you didn't build a house, something must be fundamentally wrong with you. I challenge anybody that you work with me from chairman of council to chief of staff to minister to governor. You cannot say so. Other people should also say, when you are in this position, tell me whom you have made from your area. Tell me. It's not only when you become a governor, no. Even the one you became, who and who did you make? Who and who did you make? Me, I can stay here and count. Even as I'm sitting here, I can count all of them. Without having the document here. I can. And that's what they call leadership. Not you. Some people had an opportunity. Somebody was accusing me the other day, whom I spoke with today through Sons of Jaja. He was accusing me, oh, I've given all my cronies land in Ojari. Will I give my enemies? I can't understand. I should carry Ojari I'm going to give to my enemies. Is it not my friends I'll give to? Come and become governor now, and then don't give your own supporters. In any way, there's no need again. I'm proud that I have a house in Ojari. Only me cannot live there. Other rivers people should also live there, not outsiders. I'm proud to say that. I'm proud. There are some people, when they were in position, they couldn't even do it. It's only them. I beg, I'm going to tell them, make them sit down, I beg, don't tire. Don't tire. There are people whose DNA is being greedy. Only them.
Welcome back, guys. This is still DJMTV Daily News Update. So here we have it from the governor of Rivers State, Gov Wike, who has said that the people of Rivers State should listen to him. He will tell them who to vote for when the time comes. And he has also said that the people of Rivers State will vote massively for the People's Democratic candidates in the general election. And he has assured the People's Democratic Party that he's not going to sell Rivers State for any amount. He's not ready to do that. That his vote, which is the vote of Rivers State, belongs to the People's Democratic Party, and it will be massive. So guys, what are your thoughts and comments? Wike is saying that he will tell the people of Rivers State who to vote for. Do you think that he might as well listen to one of those candidates that he is having meeting with, and then allow the people to vote for such a word? Or do you think he's going to stick to his word and say that the people of Rivers State should vote for the People's Democratic Party candidate Atiku Abubakar in the general election? What are your thoughts and comments? Share them with us in the comment section below.
DJ LTV. People are people don't say no, they don't like us.
Welcome to DJ LTV.
DJ LTV. DJ LTV. DJ LTV. DJ LTV.
Some of the delegates and ask the question.
DJ LTV. DJ LTV.
DJ TV. DJ